अस्सलाम वालेकुम ग्रानो कतुंको Daily English Sentences Lesson number 1. This lesson contains 45 small English sentences with Pashto translation. I don't care. ز پروا نلرم. I don't care. Believe me. پما باور وکړه. Believe me. Listen to me. زما خبره واورئ. Listen to me. What are you hiding? تاسو څه پټوئ? What are you hiding? I am not scared. زه نه ډارېږم. I am not scared. I do not know. ماته نه ده معلومه. I do not know. Do you trust me? آیا ته په ما باور کوې؟ Do you trust me? Yes, I trust you. او زه په تاسو باور لرم. Yes, I trust you. Why are you accusing me? ته ولې په ما تور لګوې؟ Why are you accusing me? Try to understand. د پوهېدو هڅه وکړئ. Try to understand. How do you know? تاسو ته څنګه معلومه ده؟ How do you know? Where does he live? هغه چېرته اوسیږي؟ Where does he live? Look at me. ما ته وګوره. Look at me. Where are you from? ته د کوم ځای یې؟ Where are you from? What is he to you? هغه ستا څه دی؟ What is he to you? Are you sure? آیا تاسو ډاډ لرئ؟ آیا تاسو مطمئن یئ؟ Are you sure? Wait here. دلته انتظار وکړئ. Wait here. Take care of yourself. خپل ځان ته پام کوئ یا د خپل ځان خیال ساتئ. Take care of yourself. Are you out of mind? آیا ستا دماغ خراب دی؟ Are you out of mind? Console her. هغې ته تسلي ورکړئ. Console her. It's all my fault. دا ټوله زما غلطي ده. It's all my fault. Why did you go there? ته ولې هلته تللی وې؟ Why did you go there? Stop talking nonsense. بې ځای یا بیکار خبرې بند کړئ. Stop talking nonsense. What happened? څه شوي دي یا څه وشول؟ What happened? Did you mind? آیا تاسو بد وګڼل؟ Did you mind? Leave me alone. ما یوازې پرېږده. Leave me alone. Don't argue. بحث مه کوئ. Don't argue. It's none of your business. دا ستاسو ستونزه نه ده. It's none of your business.